Hi, I'm Andrew at Baker's Gas. We're here today with the all-new Hobart Handler 140 Easy. So in this video we're going to go over the features of this unit, how to operate the front end of the machine, which is really easy to do, and then just go over some of the general basic knowledge on this thing. So to dive right in, pretty not the lightest machine in the world, but it's pretty nice. 110 only, comes with just the 110 plug on the back, comes with your MIG gun, your ground, your regulator, so you can weld inner shield wire or gas shielded wire with this. So self shielded wire or gas shielded. Comes with everything to go come with that, regulator, hose. So all you need is a gas bottle, or you can run inner shield on this thing. MIG gun's pretty nice. It's a 100 amp MIG gun. It's got a rubber gooseneck on there, or coating on there. Easier, to handle on the when you're welding. Pretty basic MIG gun, very nice and easy to use. I'll open the door here. So we got a cast aluminum drive roll system, single drive roll wheel that you can change your wire diameter just by pushing this. I'll flip that up, it's all spring loaded. You just push in, change the diameter of your wire. Super easy to do, not hard at all. And to pull it all the way off, you just go all the way in, then it'll come right out. So one tensioner wheel on there, and there's your drive roll tension. On the inside here we got our nice sticker. Gives us some parameters that if we want to run, so 24 gauge all the way up to 3/16 this thing will do. It's got a 30% duty cycle at 90 amps. So decent duty cycle for what this machine is. Like I said, a lot of stuff, we see a lot of these going to farms or just home hobbyists in their garage. Need to MIG weld something quick, simple, easy to use, easy to set up. So I'll show you on the front of the machine here. So when we flip it on, the fan kicks on, does not go off, but it's the cooling fan for the whole machine. So right now you can see we got an orange ring and then a white ring. So the white ring's for manual mode and the orange ring's for your easy mode. So easy mode, basically we're in easy mode right now, but you can go into manual and then you just adjust your wire feed speed to whatever you want, and then you can use your voltage and the white ring. Now if we go down to easy, we got 3 wire diameter size, so 024, 030, and 035. So we can toggle down and basically tell at what wire. So if we go to 030, now we can use this outside orange ring, and we just tell it what metal or what size metal we're running. So if we're running 14 gauge, we're going to be within those parameters. Super easy to set up. Basically, if you just, it comes with a gauge to measure your metal, so you just set it to that. And it should give you the correct settings to run this machine. Overall though, we'll link the price down below. Very affordable, super easy to set up, and for what you guys get in this package, I mean, not a bad deal at all. You can see on the back too, we got a gas inlet, so that's where your gas hose goes, so it's got a through-the-port solenoid, so the gas comes out into the gun. Super easy to set up. Not very much time at all right out of the box. I think you could probably do well in 15 minutes. So check it out. We'll link you all the stuff down below. If you guys got any questions, comments, leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.